Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. A few weeks back, I made a complete video on sharpening this Damascus steel knife. Took it all the way up to the black Arkansas stone, same one I use on straight razors. I wanted to put this under a microscope, but it was a little delayed at the time coming in the mail. Today I want to share the video of what this knife looks like underneath a microscope, and you'll be able to see just how detailed this edge is. Now that everyone has seen the video of this knife underneath a microscope, you can see just how beneficial having a microscope is when you're sharpening one of these knives. You can find every little defect in the knife. It's hard to see by the human eye, and even if you have a 20 times jeweler's loupe like I've been using for years, you're still not going to catch it all. Till next time, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.